Can a machine create something unique, something artistic, something expressive, something human? Welcome to the fascinating world of generative artificial intelligence, or generative AI. Generative AI, at its core, is a type of artificial intelligence that leverages machine learning to produce content. It's much like an artist with a blank canvas, but instead of paint and brushes, it uses data and algorithms. From crafting poetry to composing music, designing graphics to generating realistic human faces, generative AI is the creative force behind many of the digital wonders we see today. To understand how generative AI works, imagine a potter molding clay. The potter is the algorithm, the clay is the data, and the final pot is the output. But there's a twist. This potter doesn't just blindly follow instructions, it learns from each creation, refining and honing its craft with every iteration. This is the crux of machine learning, the dynamic ingredient in the generative AI recipe. Now, how does generative AI learn and create? It employs a method called generative adversarial networks, or GANs. Picture two artists in a friendly competition. One, the generator, creates a piece of work. The other, the discriminator, critiques it. The generator learns from the critique, improves its work, and the process repeats until the discriminator can no longer distinguish the generator's work from a real one. This is the essence of GANs, a continuous cycle of creation, critique, and learning. Output. So, what have we learned today? Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that uses machine learning to create content. It's the driving force behind many digital creations, from poetry to portraits. It learns and improves through a process called generative adversarial networks, a continuous cycle of creation, critique, and improvement. But don't be fooled by its creative prowess. Generative AI is still a tool, a hammer in the hands of a carpenter. The real magic happens when it's paired with human creativity. The AI provides the tools, the techniques, the infinite patience to iterate and improve. But it's the human who provides the vision, the spark of creativity that brings it all to life. Generative AI is not just about creating content. It's about augmenting human creativity, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's a fascinating, evolving field, and one that's set to redefine our digital landscape in the years to come. So, the next time you marvel at a piece of digital art or a piece of AI-generated music, remember the artist behind the canvas, the generative AI. It's not just creating content, it's creating a whole new world of possibilities.